Man, I wonder when it's gonna pop. Look how big it is. I'll get the slow-mo camera.
Oh, you missed it.
I'm gonna open this bottle and put the water on ice. Let's see what happens. Check this guys out. Stayed up ice either way. Man, whole bottle is in ice now. And it was normal water, didn't you guys see? Just a second ago. This is our Neodymium Magnum, the really stone, the strongest magnets in the world. So we're gonna put the small bottle on top of a piece of wood or a ruler and put the magnet on the bottom like that. So if I move the magnet around, of course the battery will roll around with my magnet. Simple, right? But what's not so simple, you see this metal wire on top? We're gonna pull up and touch it to the wire. You see how it's touched right now? And then check it out. Once we're gonna start pushing back, guess what? It want to stay with the wire. See what I'm saying? And let's try to bring down, touch the ruler again. You see the battery touching the ruler, but once we try to pull up again, it's wanna just stay on the ruler, you know? Let me grab it better. Alright, check it out. It doesn't wanna fall out from the metal. All you're gonna need is a straw and a scissors. Let's get to it. So you're gonna grab a straw and just like flatten it out. You know how you can do a flat out straw? Just flat out so you can cut it and just cut it like on this angle right here. See? Like maybe half an inch. Turn it over and on same spot cut it to the middle. To the point you cut it from. See, you got Sharpie like that. And then put this side to your mouth and blow. So cool. I got one short one and one long one. You see it stopped. Let's touch it. You see how it starts spinning? And you can just imagine how fast it's spinning right here. Alright, check it out. In the pencil I cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like V-shaped things. Gonna cut one more right here. Not too deep, not too like light, you know. Pretty much like that will be good. Hope you guys can see. Yeah. Like that, 6 of them now. That's probably good enough. Okay, then we're gonna grab our paper, put blue and red on the side and a natural color, and then we're gonna stick it into the pencil like that. Not too tight, you see, the paper can still spin. And then you're gonna grab a toothpick. You see this is loose right here, and start going like this as hard as you can. And guess what? You got a spinner. How does it work scientifically? Look, I stopped, it stops. Dude, we're gonna cut the bottle. Alright, you see, you're tired of like they fall out all the time. So you grab your bag, spin it like that, push it through, and open it right here. Just like that. Inside out bag, and just put the top on just like that. And look, you got pretty tight zip plug, you see, with the guard. Pretty simple, huh? First thing we're gonna do is find the needle in a store and just, you see how that's pointy, like sharp. So we're just gonna make a hole just like that, kinda twist it and turn, and put it to probably like halfway. Now turn it around upside down like that, and just cut it on this side. Grab your scissors, cut it on this side, and about same on that side. And now we're gonna fold it this way and that way. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. We're gonna need electric tape. Alright, grab a small piece of electric tape and just tape all this together like this and around. This is what it's gonna look like, and let's test it out. This is how it works. You're gonna stick it in the water and start spinning. You see? The water start pumping. Is magnetable, and this is not. Why does it stop the magnet then? Right now, you know it's heavier, so it's supposed to spin a lot more. So as you can see, it spins pretty hard too right now. Takes a while to stop, you know what I mean? Now it circles. Anyways, now we're gonna stop it again. Bring the aluminum plates back, like about each way. You're gonna spin it. Look how fast it stopped. To the dead end. First, we're gonna cut the bottle. Next, we're gonna put the balloon. That's it. Now we're gonna bring the jug of water. Next, we're gonna stick it inside the water. And guess what? The balloon fills up with air. Look, it's completely empty, right? Pretty cool, huh?